Okay, let's look at number 20.
She put it on everybody after.
Jill sold 35 adult tickets and 48 child tickets for a fundraising dinner. An adult ticket costs $18 and a child ticket costs $14. How much did she collect for the tickets? So we're talking about two things. We're talking... Okay. We're talking about adult and we're talking about child. Okay, so how do I find the price of an adult ticket, Rahim? Or how do I find the price? No, how do I find the cost of all the adult tickets?
You did 35 and 48.
Okay, 35 adult tickets. How much does an adult ticket cost? According to the problem.
$18.
Okay, so for one of the first times, the two numbers that are right next to each other are not the numbers we need to multiply. We need to multiply 35 times 18, so I'll do that over here. If you still have your markers out, you can do it on your desk if you want. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 4 is 28, add a 0. 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 3 is 3. Add them together. Did you get...
Answer is B. Answer is B.
I didn't ask for the answer. I asked for 35 times 18. Did you get 630?
Yeah.
Okay, so for all the adults, they made $630. What do I do for the children's tickets? Nafisa? 48 times 14. All right, I'll do it over here. 48 times 14. 4 times 8 is 32. Carry the 3. 4 times 4 is 16, 17, 18, 19. I add a 0. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 4 is 4. Add them together. 17. 672. Okay. So, what is the final step? Say,
Addition.
adding them together. 0 plus 2 is 2. 3 plus 7 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. 1,302. There it is, B. Okay, and number 21. The distributive property that we love so much. Which shows a way to find 35 times 74. What they're asking you to do is the box. 35 is 30 and 5. 74 is 70 and 4. But they haven't actually given us the answers. They've just given us the problems. So the first thing we do is 30 times 70. This says 30 times 7, so that's out. The second thing we would do would be 30 times 4. This one says 30 plus 4. That one's out. The third thing we would do would be 70 times 5, or 5 times 70. Well, that says 50 times 70. That's out.
Well, that's the...
And the last one would be 5 times 4. 5 times 4. So if we actually did it, that would be 2,100 plus 120 plus 350 plus 20. And if we added it all up, we would get the correct answer of 35 times 74. So there's a lot of, whenever the distributive property is involved, it's a lot of numbers, a lot of multiplication signs, a lot of addition signs. You just have to draw the box to help you figure out what the right answer is. And go through each one carefully, because they'll try and trip you up. They'll think that you won't notice that that's a plus sign in there instead of a multiplication sign. So you have to be very deliberate and check all the details. Okay?
What about the secret table, mystery table data?
Okay, I'll do that in a second. Omar? Oh, okay. All right. We have, I think, one more problem.
Yeah.
Here's the last problem. New seats are being delivered to the theater. There are 45 new seats for each row in a 15-row section. How many seats are being delivered? Do this on your table right now. Do this on your table. Read the question, figure out what you're supposed to do, and do it. Do I need to take your dry erase marker with me? Once you have the answer, keep it to yourself so everybody can get it. Look around at the people at your table, see if you got the same answers as them, still without saying it out loud. I'm sure you figured out what you were supposed to do is 45 times 15. Table 1, what did you get?
675.
All right, let's see if it's 675. 5 times 5 is 25, carry the 2. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22. I add a 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 4 is 4. If I add them together, that's 5, 7, 6. 675. There it is. You would have gotten 60 if you had added. You would have gotten 400 if you
estimated. No.
had estimated wrong. I don't know how you would have gotten that. You would have gotten 1,000 if you estimated right. But what it actually wanted was the exact answer, which is 675.
Actually, do I know the best way to do that?
What?
Since it's those numbers that